So the first charm that we got was a pineapple, and I'm getting a thing that currently you need to cool down. Maybe you've stretched yourself too much when it comes to responsibility, family, work, personal life. Everything has been stretched into hundreds. So that's why I'm getting that you need to cool down. And if you can see, there are two holes. So this is showing that you are multifaceted and you have the ability to be multiple things in this lifetime. But you need to find balance before you try multiple things. Try to focus on one thing at a time for at the moment. Even if you want to do multiple things, it's giving you a go for that, but at the same time don't stretch yourself too thin. The next two charms I'm going to take is these two. One is silver and one is gold, if you can see, but both are same. Both are exactly the same. So this, as you know me, I talk about twin flames. So this, I'm feeling like this is a twin flame. So you have a twin flame relationship currently. Both of y'all are similar, but y'all are in different bodies, y'all are experiencing different things, but your lessons are the same. Whatever you're experiencing currently, your partner as well is experiencing the same, and they have to see the perspective of the situation in a different way, and you see things in a different way. Maybe y'all will come into the same conclusion or the same perspective, but for now you have to allow your person to find the perspective on their own. You see it how you have to see it, let them see it how they have to see it. At the end of the day, you both will learn balance. You will both learn the yin and yang of things, and maybe that will bring balance into your relationship as well. The next charm I'm going to take is this leaf. I feel like this leaf is again similar to the past leaves, but it's a little different. So it's showing me this. If you have seen my video recently, I had put a video about soulmate and twin flame. So I feel there is a soulmate currently in your life who is trying to come in, who is trying to make a move, who is trying to impress you, who is trying to give your relationship a chance. Now it's up to you whether you choose your twin flame or your soulmate, because for different time frames, different journeys, different people are required, and different lessons you get from each of them. So at the moment, if you're getting called to take the soulmate journey, I encourage you to go with the soulmate journey, because maybe there's something you need to learn before you come into union with your twin flame. So soulmate, as I told you, can be anything. It can be a friend, it can be a neighbor, it can be another person, it could be anything. It could be a family member, but I'm getting that you need to go forward with the soulmate energy, because the soulmate will give you sort of lessons which will help you in your future. And the last thing that I got is this key. And you know, when I get a key, and it's also if you see, the key has a heart. So I feel like this is a new beginning, or someone has a key to your heart. Maybe, as I said, that there is a twin flame and a soulmate relationship, but a particular person has, I went to get both the leaves, but only one came out. So I'm taking it as a signal that only the twin flame has your heart currently, has a key to your heart, even if you go with your soulmate, because soulmates are not long term. So even if you go with your soulmate, you are going to come again back to your twin flame. And I feel like for some reason I'm seeing this, see, this is like mirrored image. So you all are going to mirror each other, as well as you are going to move in with each other. I'm getting for few people, you are going to move in with each other, you are going to move to another level, which both of you all are ready for.